Happy Thursday night, everybody. It's almost the weekend. I know everybody gets pumped up for the weekend. And we finally have maybe stopped the bleeding, at least momentarily. It looks like we're around $8,300 per Bitcoin right now. Actually, pressing forward, we're up 0.54% for the last 24 hours, just under 1%. But actually, it's closer to $8,400 at 83.81 now, and it's up for the hour as well, up 0.42%. So Bitcoin, please hang on here. Everybody's getting nervous now. But Ethereum also up for the hour at 0.4%, but down for the day at 0.117% at $616. My beloved Litecoin down for the day at 1.2% at $167.33. Neo at $70.16, down 1.47%. If you are, I've been saying it ever since I started this channel. I am a big believer in Neo, and I think that this might be one of the last times you can stock up on Neo before it really takes off, or you don't want to be on that. I wouldn't want to be on that. Wouldn't want to miss that opportunity if it does take off here. It could go a little bit lower. We'll have to wait and see. But as always, this is just my opinion, not financial advice. But I do think Neo is going to have a big year still, even though right now everything is down this week overall. But lastly, Steam is at $2.13, down 0.22% for the last 24 hours. So everything kind of moving sideways right now. Bitcoin showing a little resilience, bouncing back, and Litecoin really hanging in there. I think it dipped down to the 150s for a little while yesterday, maybe even below 155. I didn't get to check the exact number, the exact low on that, but it did dip down. But the huge news today, which I really wanted, is the reason I really wanted to bring this broadcast since we're moving sideways in the market, is that the really good news is that the Lightning Network is a go on Mainnet. So now now it's been implemented to everyone can get on board now. It's no longer in the beta phase. So the testing is over, or at least they believe they have the majority of the problem solved, or they wouldn't be releasing it. This was a process, 18 months or 2 years. I'm not sure the exact time frame, but this was a very long process. So really good news. This is going to increase transaction speed and create a cheaper network fees for the users of Bitcoin. So, and it also helped Litecoin, because Litecoin and Bitcoin are they work together very closely in the cryptocurrency space. The two together are a very good team. So they're both going to be able to run the Lightning Network, and Litecoin should be recognized for helping Bitcoin get through the testing phase of the Lightning Network before it was implemented. So shout out to Charlie Lee, the Litecoin Foundation, and all the developers on both sides there that are making this happen. This is huge news, and it should really help out the price in 2018 and the adoption rate, because if people were looking at Bitcoin as just a store of value, it will not continue to grow at the rate it is, I believe. Now, some may argue that the reason it has grown so much is because it is a store of value, but in my opinion, it needs to be a currency as well. So, which was the main intent, which was the original purpose of the currency, according to Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper, a peer-to-peer digital currency. So, amazing news in a time where we needed some, and I just wanted to bring you guys this. This is the way this works. It's very detailed, but the payments won't be. What this does is, without increasing block size, the block sizes of the Bitcoin network, it will allow people to do off-chain transactions. So people will be able to open up side channel transactions and then these will be done peer to peer, and then everyone will basically be able to be like a vendor, is a good way to say it. And then once these transactions are done within these side channels, they will be updated to the main ledger. So this is a really revolutionary technology, and it will be interesting to see the first couple weeks what the results are of the implementation. Now that it's on mainnet and running full scale, and what this does to price, what this does to transaction speed, what this does to adoption rate. So everybody have a good Thursday night, and I'll bring you guys another update tomorrow. Let's hopefully see some green numbers tomorrow.